In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam stuck in offline mode. If your Steam client keeps insisting you're offline even though your internet is fine, the quickest way to nudge it back to normal is to fully close Steam in the background, then use Steam's own offline toggle to reset its status. I'll walk you through it clearly, so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. Start by opening Task Manager. The most reliable way is to press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete at the same time. Then choose Task Manager from the menu that appears. This opens a window that shows apps and background processes currently running on your PC. If you only see a compact view, look for an option that expands it so you can see more details. Next, find Steam in the list. It may appear as the main Steam app and sometimes several helper processes. Click the Steam entry so it's highlighted. This step is important because even if the visible Steam window looks closed, background services can keep it in a confused offline state. With Steam selected, click End Task. This forces Steam to shut down completely, clearing anything that might be stuck behind the scenes. If you had a download or a game running, it will stop here, so make sure you're not in the middle of something important before ending the task. Give it a moment to finish closing. You should no longer see Steam in the list once it's fully ended. When the Steam window is available again, open the Steam menu at the top left of the client. This is where Steam's connection controls live. Click Go Offline. Choosing this tells Steam to intentionally switch into offline mode on your terms, which helps reset its understanding of your current connection. You may see a confirmation prompt. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After it completes, Steam should register the change cleanly and the offline state will be properly aligned instead of half stuck. That's the entire fix. Completely end Steam so it can clear out any lingering background processes, then use the Steam menu's Go Offline option to refresh its status. Give it a few seconds to settle after each action. This simple reset is often enough to resolve the client insisting you're offline when you aren't. If you found this helpful, take a breath and try your library or community tabs again to confirm everything is behaving. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to gaming without that frustrating offline message.